Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Aptoge. Now Aptoge is a combination of the Aptos chain and Doge mashed together. This is, I believe, I'm going to guess that this is the first Doge type of token on the Aptos chain. I'm not sure though, can't really verify that right now, but the first one I've seen anyways. And it's doing very well. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today, and it's up 77.99% right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So right now this token's sitting at 70.7 cents. Aptoge is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Aptoge.com is their official webpage. They have their own block explorer, or they have the Aptos block explorer on here, Aptos Labs, that you could check out. It's going to give you information here on this token. Also, they have a Twitter listed on CoinMarketCap, Telegram, contract address, webpage, price chart, all that is available on here. So how would you get this token? Well, Aptos actually is becoming very popular. The Aptos coin got listed on Hotbit recently, MEXC Global. You can get it off one of those exchanges there. And I do have a referral code for both of those central exchanges if you're looking for those. But this token specifically, the Aptoge token, you can get off a decentralized exchange called Liquid Swap, and it's paired with APT, the Aptos coin. So basically how you would get this coin is first you'd need a decentralized wallet. You could use like a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Coin98 is a good wallet. I do have a referral code for Coin98 if you don't have a Coin98 wallet, so check that out in the description. But yeah, you'd fund one of those wallets with Aptos, the APT coin. Then you would go into the dApps and you would find a Liquid Swap, and then you would trade your APT for the Aptoge token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You could also find it on their block explorer or their official webpage, Aptoge.com. Now, if you head to their Telegram, so far they have 753 members, and 261 of those are online. They have different languages on here, 3 different languages of telegrams that you could check out, and that's just at telegram/Aptoge. On CoinMarketCap, it says, Aptoge is a token that defines the meme-loving community of Aptos chain, especially Doge lovers. Aptoge aims to build a range of DeFi utilities from the Aptos chain, having created the first Telegram buy and price bots for the chain, and currently developing a liquidity locker and NFT collection. So that's what this token is all about in a nutshell. If you head to their Twitter, you can find it at Aptoge Aptos. Aptoge Aptos. 36 tweets so far. They just joined in October 2022. It says Aptoge is the very first Dogecoin on Aptos. So there you go. They're saying they're the first one. 523 followers so far on their Twitter. 12 hours ago, they just tweeted, "We are proud to announce that our liquidity locker is functioning as intended. You can now lock your LP for as little as 1 Aptos token, or coin, I should say." And then they have links over there to the locker, locker.aptoge.com. It says, also, we have locked our LP for 1 full year. And then they have a link to that as well, that you can see that their LP is locked. 21 hours ago, they tweeted 4 different pictures of these Aptoge NFTs, and it just says coming soon. So if you want to check out the NFTs that are coming soon, you can see that. And yeah, October 25th, they tweeted, "Stay tuned. We're listed on CoinMarketCap." And so that is a couple days ago. They got that listing there. And it looks like they're going to be listed on CoinGecko as well. So they tweeted about that on the 24th. So both listings they just recently got. If you want to find their roadmap, you can find that on their webpage, aptoge.com. It says, "Securely manage and lock liquidity tokens on the Aptos network." It says locker coming soon, but they just announced on their Twitter that it is now available. Deployed on Aptos. Aptos is a layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain developed by Aptos Labs. Aptos is noted for its high transaction throughput in terms of transactions per second and its time of finality, enabled by its modular architecture, which has decoupled transaction dissemination and consensus. Shows you step by step how to buy Aptos if you're having a problem with what I said about getting it. It says send your Aptos to your Aptos wallet. Pontum, I guess. Pontum is you can get pontum.network is their official webpage. Maybe they have a specific Aptos wallet there that you could check out as well. And yeah, it says it will be listed on central exchanges, and those will be listed eventually on CoinMarketCap. So their roadmap starts with community first approach, stealth launch, website and socials, partnerships, development liquidity locker, development of Buybot. Phase 2, the Aptoge traction, I should say. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, so that's where we're at right now. And then next they're going to have community giveaways and smart contract audit. Phase 3, Aptoge recognition, community giveaways, partnerships with influencers and 1,000 holders. And then the last phase is Aptoge's utility comes out. They're going to have a white paper come out, website redesign, V2 version, and their NFT collection will be out. And you can see a couple of those NFTs, like I said, on their Twitter right now. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC one or Hotbit where you can find the Aptos coin, and y'all have a great day. Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy-to-navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingo Coin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there, so make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.